Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss TCS latest onboarding updates. So in this video basically we are going to talk about the latest updates on the joinings as well as the offer letter info. Also we are going to discuss some of the common doubts that we have received on our previous video. So we are going to answer that so that everyone's doubt will be cleared in a single video only, and we are going to reply some of the comments. So basically if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section of this video so that your doubt will be answered in the upcoming video. Before starting the video, please watch the video till complete end because there is a lot of important information that we will be discussing in this video. And just in case if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I regularly post helpful videos on my channel. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram as I regularly post job drives there as well. So let's start with our today's video. So first of all, IPAs are happening for the candidates who had received their offer letters and who are undergoing their Explore program. So for all the candidates, it is mandatory to please attend your IPAs and don't miss your IPAs because IPAs are very important. Because first of all, if you score 80 plus in your IPAs exam, then your chances of getting an early joining are increased. Also, if your priority, TCS always gives the priority to those candidates. Apart from that, you also get a joining bonus from the company. So please make sure that you attempt your IPAs because right now CPAs are not happening. CPA is camera proctored assessment, whereas IPA is ion proctored assessment. So right now what the exams which are happening are IPA, that is you need to report to the location, that is the ion center, in order to give this exam. So make sure to do that. Next is, so TCS joining dates in the February month are 10th February and 17th February, and after this there is no new joining date that the TCS has given as of now. Apart from this, TCS took the exams for TCS BPS profile on 3rd of Feb and another batch exams was taken on 10th of February. Now for both of them the results are not yet declared, so you have to wait. Just in case if any one of you has got the result, please let me know in the comment section because right now as per the latest information there is no result declaration for that. Now talking about the NQT exams for TCS which happened in the month of January, which was a paid NQT exam. So TCS has released the results of some candidates for that exam. Now the result is not released for everyone. So for some batch it is released. So this is the latest update about that exam. Apart from that, the hiring for TCS April month NQT is also started. So make sure to apply for it. Again, April month NQT is a paid NQT. Let's talk about the next updates. So if you haven't got your TCS offer letter yet and your next step portal is showing best, then don't consider yourself as rejected because for those who are rejected there is a clear rejection message that is displayed on the next step portal. So this is the vast or the common doubt that a vast audience is having. Most of the around 40% of the students who are waiting for their offer letters have the same doubt that our status is showing batch and we are not having any update as of now. Whenever we are asking the on the support portal, we are getting the same mail that offer letters will be issued on the business demands, or they are sending that if you qualify the procedures then only you will get the confirmation. These kinds of automated mails candidates are getting. So just keep in mind that if the port status is batched, then you have to wait. Apart from waiting, please keep on applying to the other drives as well because you do not know after few months what the update will be there on the next step portal. They might even reject you after few months, right? So just to be on the safer side, keep on applying meanwhile you are waiting for this. So now for all the candidates waiting for their joinings, TCS will give the joinings in the first quarter, that is until April. So good news is from TCS, that is even though TCS is giving the joining slowly, you can see that right now TCS is not giving very fast joinings as in past 6 months what was the scenario. They are giving the joinings very slowly, but yes, they are giving. And also at the same time they are not firing or terminating any employee. We have seen that recently there was the information from the Infosys that Infosys has terminated 450 plus candidates. Apart from that, Wipro has terminated around 500 of the candidates. So all of this TCS is not doing, and Right now, if they have slowed down the process, they are also not terminating anyone. Apart from this, the other companies are even not onboarding and they are terminating the employees. So in this tough time, TCS is not doing all of these things. Okay, so this is a good news from TCS. Try to upskill yourself and also apply for other companies meanwhile. So how can you upskill yourself? So guys, I want to take a minute and want to let you know that I'm creating a playlist on reasoning and aptitude topic. So already 2 topics are covered in the reasoning playlist, that is the blood relation and direction topic. Next topic is going to be syllogism. So make sure to check this playlist and learn well and be prepared in advance for the upcoming online tests whenever they are going to happen, because right now IBM and all the companies are currently hiring, for which the online test will be in upcoming months. So you please start preparing from now itself. So let's get back to our topic and let's talk about the next thing. So yes, for the about the onboarding part we have discussed everything. Now let's take up the comments and let's see what are the comment doubts that we have as of now. So let's take the first comment. Good afternoon. I have completed interview for TCS back office data transaction on 13th of January 2023. I completed documentation on 19th January by sending documents to my HR. I accept the offer letter on 3rd of February. In the Next Step portal, I can see that I am eligible for ILP, and I also gave my NSR IT pin on the 6th January. So my question is approximately how many days it ideally takes to schedule ILP and give the joining letter. If you tell me, it will be very helpful for me. So like this is the case for TCS back office, right? That is data transaction. So I am not very much sure about this process, but in the usual process of NQT and the other hirings, what happens is once you get your offer letter, after that you have to wait few months, and for that, in that period you will undergo a kind of program from TCS, that is the TCS Explore program, and after you complete that thing, after 2 to 3 months you will get your TCS joining letter. But as you have mentioned that in this comment that you have submitted all the documents, you have submitted your NSR IT pin also, then you must receive your joining letters very soon, and your status is also showing ILP eligible, so you must receive it very soon. Please ask for an update on the support mail ID that, or your HR who has connected with you during this process, so that they can completely guide you on this. Moving on to the next thing. Any idea about DXC when they will start for selected candidates? So for DXC, I have already uploaded in previous videos that DXC right now they are not giving joinings, but previously DXC has mentioned that they will give the joinings in May or June. Selected for BPS post in November 2022. My HR mailed that the date of joining will be in the month of January, but I didn't get any updates still now. When can I expect my joining letter? So selected for BPS. So yes, this is the same case. I have got many comments on Instagram also in this case that the HRs has mentioned that they will give the joinings in the month of January, but many TCS BPS candidates are waiting still for their joining letters. So guys, you just have to wait like few more days and you can expect your joining letters for it. Make sure to ask or mail to your HR related to this so that you can have the latest update from them. I have cleared my technical interview. After 3 days, I got an email from HR like you have achieved 1 milestone. Now CTC discussion will be taking place. So just upload all the document first. Since the status in my profile is created and screening, then we'll get an evaluation process. So Prajakta, please confirm once, is this like a lateral joining interview? Because the things that you are mentioning, I feel that it is a lateral joining. It is not for fresher hiring. So if it is cleared, everything is CTC discussion is already done and your profile is created and it is under screening, then very soon they will update and evaluation will be completed, and in your case you will having the directly contact with HR, right? So you can have a one-to-one discussion with them. Next is, I got background verification link on 28 Jan and submitted all the documents there. From there, my joining is postponed from 30th Jan to 13th Feb. Still didn't get any confirmation joining. So if it is on 13th Feb, you must got any update, or if you haven't got it, it is 13th Feb today itself. So please make sure that you ask them on the same mail on which you have got your background verification link, and mention that I have not yet received my joining update. So how was the exam pattern for TCS IT for 2023 batch students? So already discussed this in the previous videos. Make sure to check that. TCS April 2022 results. So for some of the candidates who gave the exams in interviews in April month. They already got the offer letters in the October month, but there are many who are still waiting, and for them the status is best, so you have to wait still for some time, but meanwhile keep applying to the other drives as well. I have given interview for MBA hiring in Nagpur after clearing the exam on 18th of January, but I still get any reply from TCS. So can you tell me how many days I can expect my reply from TCS? So if it is from MBA hiring, like as far as I know, they do not take too long for the MBA hiring results, but as you have mentioned that it is very recently, only in the previous month on 18th of January, so very soon you can expect it. In a month or so your results will be declared, and if you want more updates you can always mail to them on their support mail ID. How many students will they enroll in BPS position? So for BPS position they usually hire in bulk, so a lot of, like in thousands, the students will be onboarded. What about TCS Explore? 1 year passed. So TCS Explore, I'm not getting this reply whether your TCS Explore has started or whether you have completed your TCS Explore. Please let me know a clear case what you want to ask. I didn't get it from your comment. Sir, how and where to check TCS BPS results and on 3rd of Feb? So right now there is no result is not yet declared. If it is declared, I will create a video on that so that you will be having the idea how can you check your results. What is the difference between rescheduled and postponed candidates? So both are same, right? So this is the comment based on this video of mine, that in this video I was talking about two types of candidates, that is the candidates who has rescheduled their joining and the one who got their joinings postponed. So basically the difference means I was actually using these two terms in this different two regards, that is rescheduled candidates are the ones like who themselves rescheduled their joining, and the postponed ones I was talking about them whose joinings was postponed by the company. I have received my offer letter on December 26 for BPS role. After that no update. So if you have received your offer letter on 26th of December, then it is for BPS, right? So your Explore program will not happen. Now it will take few months for you to get your joining letter. I got batch status on my May month in Expert portal, but now there is no mail. So this is a common doubt from many. So I have already mentioned that if your status is batch, you can not do anything apart from waiting. While you are waiting, please upskill yourself and apply to other drives as well. Sir, I qualified first round interview in TCS, then 1 week before they called me, they offered me for HR interview, but till now I didn't get any mail. Please give me suggestion what I do. So first round, please let me know, Alexa, that it is for which profile, because it is very much important to know for me, like it is for which profile, then only I can guide you. First of all, if your first interview is done and your HR is pending and they have not yet mention anything about it, please mail them after every few days so that they will have an update and they will schedule your HR interview. My joining date is August 18, but due to some reason my all documents are verified on 17 August. So TCS rescheduled my joining. When will I get new joining letter? I'm asking because in this video you told about who are made rescheduled option, but my situation is all documents are verified, but TCS sent rescheduled mail without telling the date. Okay, so now this was the thing which happened in the September month last year, that many of the candidates got their joinings rescheduled. It was because after September the recession time was started, and due to that TCS has not given many joinings in the upcoming months like the November and December. So because of that reason the company has rescheduled many joinings, right? So it is not such that your details are not updated on the portal. It is just because of that thing. Now if you have not got any fixed date for your joining, you should wait for some time, and if you want more updates you can ask them on the mail. This is the only thing you can do. So for 3rd Feb it will take some time. For BPS 3rd Feb exam results, it will take some time for the results to be declared. I am done TCS interview in 11 January. Still next step portal my application is best. How many days shall I wait for my interview results? So usually interview results do not take long, approximately like 1 or 1.5 months are more than sufficient. But right now you can see that they are not giving any updates only, right? They are not giving the offer letters, they are not giving the joinings, and they are not even replying for the interview results. So in this case I would suggest that you should wait. Otherwise if the case was normal wherein the company was giving the updates, then you can ask for them for them an update, but right now it is good for you to wait for the results, because right now what the company is doing, they are not giving update on anything, right? So whenever they will give the update, you will also get the update in the first batch itself. So if it is your state, next step portal is showing ILP eligible, then usually you might have completed your you have got your offer letter, then you might have completed your explore program. If not, please complete it, and after that you are going to get your joining letter. My status is still ILP eligible from Feb 8. When can I get joining letter? So usually if your status is ILP eligible, you will definitely get your joining letters. You just have to wait for some time. Usually it will be allocated in the first batch. Whenever they will give the joining letters, in the first batch itself, you are all going to get your joining letters. But right now, as I already mentioned, they are not giving any updates based on the joinings and offer letters. Hi, I got offer letter in Feb 4 2022, but I didn't receive any joining letter. Please reply. Can I wait or can I move on? Please reply, sir. So basically offer letter and joining letters are never issued together in TCS. So there is a gap of few days or few months based on the profile for which you have applied in TCS. So if you have got your offer letter on Feb 4, you need to wait for some time in order to get your joining letter. So with this, we have discussed all the comments of this video, and guys, if you have any more doubts, let me know in the comment section of this video, and make sure to join us on Telegram and Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to do so. The channel name is The Humble Coder, and please make sure to check this playlist and please start preparing in well, because this is the only time when you start your preparation for the upcoming exams. When you start preparing at that moment only, at the final moment, you can never clear the exams. This is the correct time for you to start preparing. So make sure to start preparing it. I will upload more videos on different topics of aptitude and reasoning on the channel. Thanks for watching the video.